Go, Michael. I just wanted to say thank you to Jason and them for helping us get in our home. We basically standing in our new living room. We were trying so hard to get home through other mortgage lenders, and it's basically getting turned down at every avenue we went. And Haley cuts Jason's hair, and we were referred by a friend for him. And we went to see him, and within 30 days, he got me where I needed to be to buy a home. And so I would highly recommend him and Team USA to anybody. I was kind of skeptical at first, it seemed like a crazy thing to do, but once I saw that he was serious and that he could do what he could do for us, I'd be willing to recommend him to anybody.
Great.